Sacramento Laser Clinic got sued after a patient suffered second-degree laser burns because the technician wasn't licensed and the clinic had no supervising physician. Stay until the end for an important healthcare tip to help protect your business. This issue happened in the Arden area. A client came in for a simple hair removal procedure. She left with burn blisters and ultimately filed the lawsuit. Investigators revealed that there was no supervising physician and that there were no proper standardized procedures in place allowing this so-called practitioner to administer these medical laser services for hair removal. It was also mentioned that there was no charting involved. In other words, the patient just received services, and the actual services or the procedures or the techniques, any sort of contraindication, and even adverse reactions were never discussed or documented. There was no training and there was no medical oversight. Lasers used for hair removal are considered medical devices, which means that a physician must supervise, and a trained, properly licensed healthcare provider must operate the device. And of course, clear protocols must be followed. When those things don't happen, liability is huge, including civil damages, injunctions to stop business operations, and ultimately business shutdowns. Here's a litigation reminder. If a patient alleges injury, even if it's small, burns, scarring, hyperpigmentation, even if it's minor, it can escalate fast. We help med spas and IV hydration businesses across California defend against complaints and lawsuits and build compliance systems that help prevent them. Remember, prevention is the best protection. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.